Hello guys. So today 4 o'clock in the morning pupunta ako sa duty. So gumigising ako ng 4 o'clock. So hindi na ako lat na ng 1 month. So mag-pregnancy test tayo doon. Okay? So gawin natin. Wait. Iihi muna ako. So, walang baso. Dito ko lang ilagay yung ihi. Ito, itapon din ito pagkatapos. Teka, wait lang. Hold mo na. So, guys, ito lang yung ihi ko. Kunti lang. So, i-step natin yan dyan. Step natin na. 10 seconds. Kunti lang yung ihi ko. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So, ayan na. 3 minutes. So, maligo muna ako. Diyan muna yan. Tignan natin ang result. Mamaya pagkadating. Hello guys, so tapos ka lang maligo. So tingnan natin. Oh my god. So doon nag-download ako ng yung pregnancy app ba yung ganun. So late na ako ng 6 days. Tingnan natin kung malitik siya o hindi. Are you ready? Oh my god. Oh my god. Lan you guys. Thank you Lord. 5 years na kami kasal ni Ryan, wala pa kami baby. Ngayon meron na. Kaya pala moody ako. Tapos naaway ko si Ryan. Tapos naghahanap ako ng kung ano-ano. Nagtaka ako kasi bakit masakit yung didi ko, tapos para akong busog. Alam mo yung pants ko, masikip na siya. Oh my god guys, dalawa clear na clear. Oh. I-surprise ko si Ryan. Lord, thank you. 5 years kaming kasal, ha. Ngayon lang. Kuya Jilo, kuya na ka. Oh my god, thank you guys. So, iba-vlog ko. Surprise ko si Ryan. So, ano na to? 1 month na. Thank you guys. Thank you Lord. Thank you Lord. So guys, i-surprise ko asawa ko. Tulog pa siya. Abri.
Yun ako, birthday.
Gani. Abri, gani. Nagdahaw at sismoso. Ipagawas.
Hindi nga.
Ipagawas unsay naa. Ipagawas gani. Chismosong daw.
Hindi nga.
Oh.
Karon?
Kanina buntag.
Ano pet?
Gani na nagkuha ko. Buntag mo na dapat ikuan.
Ano ba? Ano dito nilalagay?
Di, para package.
Yun na, dayon na. Ang lalaki na kanina.
Di, unisex mo na siya nga sanina, God.
Birthday ni Daddy. Birthday ni Daddy, dahil ka lang. Love you.
Sabi to. Happy ka?
Oh,
Si Mia happy? Kuya na si Mia.
daan pa ko.
Daan pa ka? Pero takambal pila ng kakuan.
Pila ka buok? Ay, ay, ay. Sorry, baby.
ಇಲ್ಲಡ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕಾಣುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರೇಷನ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಓಕೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಯೂರಿನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ still just small very small
Yeah, very small. You have a heartbeat?
yeah very heartbeat
Only one, huh?
yeah only one just to start a heartbeat okay
Mm. Can my husband see also?
It's here only.
Ah, I see.
Okay. So that's the heart. So it is.
But very small heartbeat, no?
Yeah, it is just 6 weeks. Only 6 weeks. It has just started the heartbeat.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
So it has just started. Okay.
Mm.
That's why like a tiny it is the baby.
Yeah, very tiny.
So only one baby. Okay. No
Okay.
issues. Just 6 weeks. Okay.
Okay.
That will rise.
Yeah, that's why.
See, your baby so small still.
Mm.
Kitty on under. Can you see that?
Mm.
This small tadpole.
Mm.
So you are just 1.5 months. Okay.
Mm.
That's the heartbeat.
Mm.
So only one baby. Okay.
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 Mm.
So that's the heartbeat. So
Okay. So he is in a
in
normal.
proper position,
Okay.
and you've completed 1.5 months.
Mm.
Nice. No issues. Okay. Uterus is nice.
In what way I will know?
Later, 4th month.
4th month. Ah, okay.
Your delivery.
No, he's now big, no?
Mm.
Mashallah.
See? This is the head.
Mm.
This is the backbone,
Mm.
spine.
Mm.
See hand.
Wow.
It's lying on the stomach.
But he's not
This
moving.
is the other hand. See?
Ah, he's moving. He's moving. That's why sometimes kicking.
Heartbeat.
Mm-mm.
Stomach
Mm.
and the legs. Okay.
Mm.
Right leg, left leg. See feet. Okay.
Yeah.
want to know?
Yeah.
Baby girl.
Huh?
Baby girl.
What? Baby girl.
Okay.
Mm.
So you finished 3 months. Now you're in the 4th month. Okay?
Yeah.
Good.
It is normal, Doc, that only sometimes I feel she's moving.
Yeah. Only sometimes. You will not feel every day. Every day you are going to feel only in the 6th month.
Ah,
Okay?
okay.
No issues, huh?
Yeah.
No problem. Okay? Come. എത്ര ഉണ്ടോ ഇന്ന അയ്യോ മൈ ഗോഡ് നീ എന്നടാ
2-3
ആ വാ അത്ര ലോഡായിട്ട് സംസാരിക്കണം ഉനക്ക്
This is Rachel's husband.
ഇതിപ്പോ കഴിഞ്ഞ പേഷ്യന്റാ ആ ഔട്ട്സൈഡ് പേഷ്യന്റ് See, this is the head.
Okay.
Okay. The eyes. The nose. Okay.
Mm.
Left hand. Right hand. Okay.
Mm.
Backbone.
Okay.
That's the heart. Heartbeat.
Okay. This is the stomach, Mm.
bladder, kidney, and the legs. Okay?
Okay.
And the feet. Okay?
Yeah.
Good.
Always good, Doc.
Yeah.
But she's here all the time.
Because she's up. So she should be up.
Yes, sir?
Yeah. So placenta is still down. Okay?
Mm.
But she's good.
So
Okay?
the head is not yet in the
No,
field.
no, no. How it be? My God. 5 months. My head should be down now. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Placenta is down.
Look, baby. Gusto makadiri na. Gusto makadiri na, ah. Kilokan ka? Ito na. Kay.
Uy.
Sabi ni Yok. Ang sama ka di anak.
Iwatong bada siya.